Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Ryan here, RP Elite Motors and Marine. Saturday afternoon, great weather here down in Texas. Behind me, I got a 2017 F250 Lariat we just got in. I'm gonna do a quick walk around of this truck, show you guys everything that's on it, so let's get to it. Okay, so here she is. Do a quick little side view of it and then get into detail of everything that's on this. So first we got some 26x16 American Forces. It's wrapped in a 40-inch Nitto tire. We got our coilovers, got our Fox T-mount, Fox 2.0s all the way around, Fox steering stabilizers all the way around, MAG diff cover in the front. We got our road armor front bumper, as you can see here. Got some rigid lights, double light bar. Got the LED lights that come with the Lariat. Paint to match emblem on the front. Keep showing you this way. So it's on a 12-inch BDS, guys. It does have bags in the rear, paint to match mirrors, rear track. It's a 4-link lift. Everything under here is powder coated, guys. That silver color, even the drive shaft. In the rear, we got our bags back here. It's on a remote that goes on the inside. It's got train horn as well, guys. Compressor built in under there. Rear MAG diff cover as well. We got paint to match lights on here. Also have a rear road armor bumper with our drop down 12-inch Jenny hitch. Keep going around. So we got our exhaust over here, MBRP exhaust. I'll show you guys the inside. So it is the Lariat package, guys. As I said, Lariat Ultimate does have the sunroof. Something I actually haven't seen before in a Lariat is these center console seat does go back. Show you the dash over here. So it does have 2 subs in the back as well, guys, with the box. Got WeatherTech floor mats, guys. Amp research steps. So overall, just a very good, clean, nice white truck. Everybody loves white, love the paint to match. There she is, guys. So it's a 2017 F250 Lariat Ultimate. It's got 50,000 miles on it. We're gonna be getting some videos and pictures of it up today. So it should be on our website soon. So make sure y'all hit the description and the link. If y'all got any questions, be sure to let us know, guys. We appreciate all the support. Continue liking, following us. Have a great Saturday.